So task one has you write two complex paragraphs, both revolving around the geography and how it affects the ideas, the development of civilizations. And the two civilizations we're looking at, Greece and Rome. And so really your only resource for this, it's kind of a critical thinking deal. You're going to have to think on your own how geography and location affect these civilizations. In your textbook on page A23, you can see it here, is a map basically of the Greek Empire. And so you're going to look and you'll notice it's located here. So based on the fact that the Greek Empire is here and it's all in orange, you can kind of see it's on water or whatever it is. And so you have to think in terms of, based on its location near mountain ranges and rivers and those kinds of things, how did that affect it? So think in terms of food. So for example, they're located near the sea, which is a food source. And when you have a food source that's accessible, generally your population tends to go up. Less people starving, those kinds of things. As your population starts to go up, you need more room for expansion because you don't have enough land room for all the people anymore. It also allows you to start focusing on other things like business. And so trade can be affected. Trade can be affected in a variety of ways, being near water and those kinds of things. Think in terms of defense. Think in terms of natural boundaries. Okay? Think in terms of transportation and some of the advantages you have there. And so that's really what you're kind of doing, and you're going to write me a complex paragraph where you really start to critically think, how does this location deal with that? And you give me good explanations to go with that. The other empire that you're going to deal with is the Roman Empire. And I just flipped the page to A24, A25, and here's a bigger map of the Roman Empire. And you can see here it's centered in Rome, and so same kind of thing. Think in terms of food, think in terms of trade, defense, transportation, all those kinds of things. How was the Roman Empire's location and their physical geography in terms of the land around their empire? How did that affect their development? And so you're giving me a complex paragraph on that as well.